Hey, welcome to a day in the life with SparkDriver, you guys. It's Monday right now. It's Monday and it's 2 p.m. So I'm about to start working, y'all. I'm about to start my shift. Today I'm starting late because I don't know. I didn't want to wake up in the morning. I did not want to wake up, y'all. So let's start the day, y'all. Let's start the day. I hope I can make 100 before I go home because I only have like 4 hours to work from 2 to 6. So I hope I get 100. Let's hope, yeah, let's hope. So I'm waiting for my first order. Just received my first order, you guys. $25 going for Mayo and it's 3 drop off. So it's curbside order. I am waiting for them to bring it outside, y'all. I'm waiting for them to bring it outside. I hope they don't take a long time because I want to make this $100. Yo, he just finished loading my stuff right now. It's 2:30 right now. It took a long time, y'all. It took me a long time. So, and look, y'all. I was about to charge my phone. I have no idea what happened. So, I don't know. Alright, let's take off, y'all. I'm about to scan my stuff and they give me the... Okay, I'm gonna scan here. Okay, you guys, and my first drop off, I'm about to go 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. And you guys, this January is flying, y'all. Oh my god. This January is flying. Like, today is January 12th. I haven't worked, y'all. I haven't worked even a full week. And the January is about to be over. Damn. Wow. It's flying. We're about to be in February just right now. I haven't made money for my, January. So this week, oh, it's already started and I already messed up by now working in the morning. I was planning this week to work like my full hours. So I can get good money by the end of the week. But I already messed up today by starting so late. So we will see the rest of the week how it's going to go, you know. Okay, I'm at my first drop off. That door over there, and this is the stuff that I'm about to take over there. Okay, let's go. That seems slippery, so I gotta be careful. And it feels good today. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Okay, y'all. Let's go on our next drop off, second drop off. This drop off here, it went so smooth. He required passcode and she was ready to give it to me, so that was so good. So, second drop off is 8 minutes. Let's go. So I'm here for the second drop off and this is my trunk order. So that's the house. And let's see what they have in here. Let's see. Alright. It's a little bit a lot, but we got it. Let's go. Yo, I just received $26 for shopping order, y'all. Oh, let me lock my door. the shopping order, and I'm going to shop for 21 items, and it's going 7 miles. 7 miles. So this is my second order, y'all. So if I added this to my first order, we're gonna have $50, y'all, already. $50. So we need 50 more. We need $50 more. So, oh, no cart. Oh my gosh. Can I take that cart? Does it belong to anybody? Yo, I think I see a cart here. Let me check this one. Do I supposed to touch this? Yo, I don't know. I don't know what it says, but I'ma just take it. You know what I mean? I don't know what it means. Okay, let's go shop this order. All right. Going to scan here. I am done everything, y'all. I didn't show when I'm shopping everything because I don't want to waste time. I need to shop it first and get out of here. So I'm done, y'all. Right now I'm going to check out so we can check out and go deliver it. All right, y'all, it's almost 4 o'clock. It's 3:58 right now. So I'm going back to give more orders. So I have 2 more hours to work. So I hope, I'm guessing for these 2 hours, I get another $50, you know? Let me see, I have an order. $12.40. It's going for my 3 drop off. No, I'm sure we're gonna get a best order, a good order. So let's just keep waiting. I know the good order is on the way coming. So I just got another order, you guys, $26. I'm going to shop for 2 people though. Shopping for 2 people, and one person have like 13 items and the other person have 17 items. So altogether it's like 30 items. Yeah, the money is good though. $26 for 2 people, and it's only 5 miles. Let's go. I only have 1 more hour to work. Let's go. So let's go. Let's go. Yo, so this is our 3rd order, and we have 78 so far. 78 so far, so yeah, so happy, yeah, so happy. And right now it's 4:17. Done, all done, all done. I'm done shopping, yo. Oops, dropped my bread. Ooh. Okay. Let's go. So whenever I'm shopping for 2 people, this is how I do my stuff. So all this here, all this item is B, like the second person. Whoever have like a lot of stuff, that's when I'm gonna put inside. And this one is B. If over here doesn't fit, I have to go with there. So this is A, and this is B. So I'm about to put, who should I put at the trunk? I think A. Let me put A in over here. So I'm gonna put the second person here. I'm trying to push. All right. So let's put this one over there. So, all right, now let's go deliver it. So you guys, I'm waiting for my next order. I dropped my other 2 orders. I was on the phone, so I didn't show all that. So I just received the good news. Tomorrow the kids are not going to school. So because of the weather, as I told you guys on my last video that we had a snow on Friday, last Friday. So Friday they didn't go to school. Today they didn't go to school. So I just received the message that they're not going to school tomorrow. So that means I'm at work until we're gonna make this money, y'all. I'm gonna go home whenever I see like, okay, the order have slowed down. You know what I mean? I myself, I don't know what time I'm going home, but let's stay here and see. Okay. So I just received another order, $19. It's going to Mayo, and I'm going to shop for 25 items. So let's go. And if I add this one to my order, I don't know, let me go check. Going to have $97. 97. You. Oh. So yeah, let's go shop. Let's go shop. Yo, I was ready to work this evening, but looks like the orders, looks like they don't have a lot of orders. Right now it's 6:39. 6:39. I'm in a parking lot waiting for orders for 30 minutes now, and nothing is popping in. So I don't know. I was ready to make money, y'all. I was ready to make this money, but no orders. No orders. Let's keep waiting. Let's keep waiting. I'm not rushing to go home until I make this money. Okay, y'all. I have waited for excuse me. I have waited for more than 1 hour. So I need to call it a night. I don't think they have orders because, ouch, what happened here? It hurt. Because there's nothing coming in. Yo, I don't know what's here, but it's hurting. Anyway, I am going home. Let me go check how much I made for today. So right now it's 7 something, and the order stopped coming in at 6 o'clock. Since 6 o'clock, I haven't get no more order. So I worked 4 hours, I guess, almost, maybe. Let me go check how much I made. So for today, I made $97, y'all. $97, not even my $100. But guess what? I'm thankful. I am thankful. Yo, I was super ready to make this money. I was super ready to go home around 9-ish, 10-ish. But look at that. Look at this miracle. Nothing comes in. Nothing. But anyway, tomorrow it's another day. You know? Tomorrow it's another day. So here's the thing. About tomorrow, I don't know if I'm coming in the morning because kids don't have school. That's my time to take a break too, you know. So I really don't know if I'm gonna come in the morning or in the afternoon. So we're gonna see because I have no idea, you know. So anyway, you guys, I will see you tomorrow. See you in my next video. Bye bye. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe. Join this growing family here. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.